чтобы он доказал чем-то сверхъестественным свое божественное происхождение. На это Иисус однажды ответил: «Сегодня не Настя, потому что небо багрово. Лицемеры, различать лицо неба вы умеете, а знамени времен не можете». Что же имел в виду Иисус, говоря о знамениях времени?
Вполне возможно, что Иисус придавал этим словам то же значение, что и мы. Он подразумевал те события и веяния, которые отмечают приход новой эпохи. А новая эпоха была у порога. Среди людей жил Сын Божий. Его учение преображало человеческие души, и не было возврата назад в дохристианский мир. Сейчас невозможно себе представить современное общество без христианской культуры, философии, без той надежды, которую эта вера дает миллионам людей.
Hi there, all my friends out there on YouTube and radio world. I'm sitting around listening to some shortwave radio. This is a really good signal. I'm not just doing that. I'm over in here having a nice, cold German beer. Yeah. Boy, does it taste good. Yeah. My radio room, or my shack, whatever you want to call it, it's changed a little bit. My wife has moved everything around. She took my desk away from me, gave me something else. Covered my flat earth map up. Put out Christmas decorations. That's what it looks like now. But it'll change, I'm sure. She'll come back in here and redo it. There's my MLA 30 without a loop on it. I'll show you what I did. I was going to make a copper loop for it. And there it is. Nothing I did, I could not get the thing to bend right. I even annealed it, and it ended up crimping right there. So that was 21 bucks wasted. But I came up with an alternative solution. And I use this. It's bigger than what came on it. And it's steel braided wire rope is what it's called, steel braided rope. And I got the ends insulated, and inside this piece of plastic material, which I stole from my wife's curtains. Hey, if you got no money, you got to use what you got. There it is. This slides through the bottom of the curtains, and there's the end. Slides through the bottom of the curtains to make them hang down straight. And so that's what I did. I stole it from her. Hey, she keeps changing my room around, you know. She said, put all your stuff up. Look, it's all junky looking. So I did. Here's my poor FRG 7700. I hope to get Graham to fix it, if he even wants to fool with it. But it jumps frequencies. After it gets warmed up, you have it in one frequency, and it'll jump 10,000 megahertz, or 10,000 kilohertz. So anyway, hope everybody has a Merry Christmas. Signal Hunter said that, and I'm out.